Hello agus fáilte iris go Cluicheamaid fer sin na dú dal a chumal áin le Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Agus hí sin mar a héad go gain. Dachs go bheith se go má. Seo sin iris ana Ravensthorpe. So a turas mi dhéirigh ar a stream rein sin scéalach Leicester, Leicester Chester. Agus nu sin fear screen rein mi kind of scéalach Grants Bridge, mis sin anam na scíide ana cheá. So inis te sin kind of carstal leas an gudeach. Agus ha sin dírechtdal a híle go Randvi ar san brín mú mar a haighain. So mi smöntsin a beachcha hacam really, yeah, hiú a faltec eifar ha chin machas a big an clipping a dal anna hin chin trona armor a chasin ceisciúlar. Ha líanig big generations. So mi smöntsin gra mar sin a vis mi Carana Cluiche seo ha mír sons go bí síomhse go féic síomhse carana scéalach le éhar agus Sigurd ach go déam sin ruit nach chéil rilí a buntain is sé díiste sin ans nach chéil Sigurd a sás. So chará Sigurd ítir a sás anna Grantas Bridge ach ruit go díce a sás an san áirid stachanach díc.
Well-travelled and rugged. I did.
Well-travelled and rugged.
With the Danes of Grandabridgeshire. Their
Grandabridgeshire.
Soma has pledged an oath.
Well done, Eivor. These early victories will pay off well.
They will, in more than one way. One of Soma's finest fighters, Birna, has pledged her blade to us.
Hello, lovely beard. Give me a how. Can you kiss it all?
Glad to have her. Good work.
So, Shinshiniad, Grantebridgeshire. Gàidhlig. So it's gonna dal anna Ravensthorpe. Eichehoun, Roghainnean.
At one time, the title Jarl referred to a man second only to the king. And that use is softened. Now a Jarl may be a chief, a leader, or a man with broad wealth and influence.
The world is big now and broken into many pieces. It seems our language must do the same to keep up.
An interesting thought.
Bert, your father sent you here to learn, not teach.
Then you must start, Eivor. Give us a summary of our recent gains, for instance. The clan is thirsty for knowledge.
You want me to give a speech? Right.
Alright. I felt that I should dal tron hood.
Hearken to me and hear a tale of triumph and toil. I have traveled far since we landed and seen much on the roads and fields of this New England. And for all my travels, strong alliances have we gained. The Honorable Ceolwulf, King of Mercia, now calls us friend. And to the south, Soma Yalskona and the Danes of Grandabridge have pledged their oath to us. By Sigurd's hand and my own, we have strengthened the ties of...
You set yourself as Sigurd's equal in these tales of yours.
Okay, Dag.
Would Sigurd do the same if he were here?
Isht.
Sigurd knows what I've achieved, and he would celebrate it more roundly than I have. But this takes nothing from
The graphics go kien alleen maar.
For I sit among some of the staunchest wills and strongest fighters I have ever known. And so I raise my horn.
I guess Jailbird.
May he return to us soon, and to the Raven clan, the best of friends and fighters. To Sigurd!
To Sigurd! May he return and relieve us of you!
May all of you enjoy the ale as much as Dag has. Skull!
You think me drunk, Eivor? Would it soften my blows if I was?
Your words are blunt enough, but it would explain your boldness.
My eyes are clear and open, and I see before me one eager to claim a piece of Sigurd's glory.
There is enough glory in the world to go around for all who earn it. I have no doubt how much I am owed.
Just as I thought. You're...
Attackers from the river! They look to be Danes!
Danes. How many?
Danes.
Too many. Now come. The battle roars already.
Solas again
Those who
Ir
can
lemma.
fight, take up your weapons. All others, stay here.
So mis maidir gohanid cearan a character model ar son éhfar sin ar lemma hescbhfuil felt it generate an Jánach a drasta ach fiústíach chu utan Ríke. Oh. Give me a how, Luggy Bear. Right. Shashin. Defend the settlement. I mean, it'd be Cluiche more than Dark Souls 3. Smashing. Because Minach big and I had you to be a kind of matter of sure. Oh, shit, man, clicks me sure. Right, Cavill and Yoinila. Okay, Palace. She is going to go skiing. Chenya. Yuck. Felt mar sin an a monster here in Sakuja. Melted a dull from hood cactus. Oops. I got Niana. Koha. Could you Swiss on the hin? Skull Crusher. Right. Usa.
Who sent you to die here?
Shashin. Fashion Fashk. Right. Okay. Shouldn't have shed. Guess yeah, has to on Xbox Canach a can you first be an Alapa. Yeah, I call it should own. There's on Xbox I guess a PlayStation Goig. I call it like a ma that have fed a lot of Kadrasta. So yeah, ha mi taliche nach gwyl gyndur mi switch o cyd mi ysnio ha mi farcin caran sasta drasta nach el mi fiach in rwyd gynnyl o ddarac a chai ha trwyg nach el. Arrow Horde, right. Shouldn't have dodged. Ach, Nershon, Usa. Black Schnauzer, hello, Kamau. Bio Cluiche Hellblade Ga. Can you me Ershin of Cluiche? Can you me the heat Hellblade Cluiche hast? Ach, hi Akam in an Xbox. Some of your son of Cluiche. Have you explained to Villa Uvas in Ma? I guess a collis Uvas of Ma it. Ach, can you me the Cluiche hast? I know, Hanil. Give me Arshinach. Right. Usa. Okay. Oops. Wel, gaat er op, ik zie nietjes. Hij heeft meer wie Cluiche, maar de huis me. Vesger ma. Camera how. Right, so Jay Kovashaw has een giro carriage niet aan uw mesken.
The rivers are clear.
En
If more were coming, they thought better of it.
By their colors and markings, I believe they come from Gàidhlig.
Gàidhlig.
With none left alive to spill their secrets, we may never know why.
Here is one. This vermin was crawling to the river,
Gítlan, nach é
hoping to
gít
float
nach é
away.
liad san asas an Beowulf.
Have mercy, friend, and you may find an ally with us.
Mercy's earned by the quickness of your tongue.
After line.
What is your quarrel with us?
We are settled in East Anglia, newly arrived and hungry for silver.
You drifted off course. This is Mercia.
As we were ordered.
By whom?
You bore me.
Useless hound, scratching your ass in search of silver. Put an end to this one.
Your silence earns you no kindness, Geet. So I'll ask you once more. Who sent you?
The wind sent us, and the rivers will take us home.
He begs for death, Eivor. Give it to him.
Or send him home with a warning. Let him tell his people what death awaits them, should they sail this way again.
Nisht bheith sin dal a lenting cardia Randvi neo cardia dag. Ha dag na amatan. A chaneo sin a cilcha go bhfuil a cead. Dé beachgan, sy'n gaif fis acal sa chat ma ha roin acov. Dé ha sio gra. Look at there. Ha fu Janu lottery son an Xbox. Cyrru tu posti oras tega dyn go random. Se lain yonach a han. Se, lain go man yonach. Ha mi smension va I'm just gonna more an a dúil go be the latest noun a have na Xboxes is na PS quick. Gírach rilín COVID agus ruta mar sin ach va Microsoft agus Sony trích gekant noch go bhí the latest a BM agus well ha ha mi all het trúd go you rein pre-order an Xbox agus chadánice a lá sin heb dúra ar san láin gaile sa sin caran a nei pein go pre-order an an aman an avisteach ha mi ceiscilear agus u héin ha mi sé cumá cumá ai iad bhí clúiche Dark Souls 3 sin iad bhí ma mi tíach a críocha chu réad DLC ar san sin nes barach chuir gachi rúste gon chláimh neach chu téach stone sin. Hello, Crystal Catalyst coming out here in Kuchach. Joe, Vuyan Aku sa chat the Jew. Am I? So, vote dakin or some Kuriachia. So, yeah, it'll be clear Dark Souls 3. A Jew Hamir, we come Sulamach or son Joe had deals or son Gahari or son a Switch. Who had me Sekiro ar san an Xbox card capition a chin in na heachcain so ha mi ten fiúr sin a chluich ach so mi switching ar san a Switch mi switch go find me Hyper Light Drifter ha mór an dainad George na chanta mi sin so kishi mar a hitchain ach ha mi cúteach iad ein capture card ar san a Switch agus ar san a Xbox so a sin a cíalcha le dáchas gnuúin gá an áte díadach gemichin PC a chluich iad Twitch gumburin gá gemichin Switch Xbox a chluich iad cúteach so bhí sin intinach goite Smash tournament an a Gaelic nerdcin Hello ha mi cuma Sere ok darfótar san Sere ha mi spension go sin dalagáil lei sin
Go, and do not return.
Dag díadach a bheas nas
This death deferred.
nas
Whoever
fericiche
sent you warn them of the slaughter that awaits, should any return.
Oh, what tales I will tell.
Send one of your scouts to follow him. We will find...
yeah I mean dúil gan dachar sin
To show mercy would endanger us, soil our reputation as cowards. This was the only end possible.
We could have learned something by tracking him. Now we know nothing.
Sigurd would have acted as I did. That is all the justification I need.
Sigurd is not here to make such a call, but I am. And if you cross me again, he will know about it.
I see you, Eivor. And I know what you are.
Put no stock in what Dag says. His bluster may be loud, but it blows softly.
Get this cleaned up. We'll talk of next steps.
Okay. Inchinach. Selva sin dalhalka Anglia and yet.
A message has come.
Jackarach. Jacking. Cheolwolf. Jas and the
I
crap.
did. Put them right over
Hey,
there. Keep them out of your
Cheers,
way
that
when you
went
are
well,
using
my son. Cheolbord is skrive who come cut it with the nisht. Trich lan Israchi. Ha space ek goed. Ga heen. Stel me wie naar Marie. Kurst in Magulu. Ha Denjakum Chiles. Ha Mercia Staple. Ray. Skania. Okay, okidoki. Station agenda list. Sketchy Greenry Randvi. Switch aggression. Yeah, it's shock and everything had all out fatna fatitude. So he's in the heck Randvi ra.
Nice to see you.
To see you, nice.
I want to see the Alliance map.
Okay, so Ashin is Leicester is Grantisbridge. So East Anglia Akin, Oxenfordshire Akin Gujach, agus Lunning Akin. So again my sons can judging East Anglia leis power level a hacking. Ach Bhín hain Johnach further nó an éile íochan na North of Gaelic. Dé bhar beach. Lunning, an escanting. Agus hamicoma. Okay.
Hytham asked that I travel to London. What do you know of it?
A wild city, one that Halfdan Ragnarsson tried to claim for himself years ago. But it resists all attempts to be held.
Hytham claims the city is overrun by a strange cult, the Order of the Ancients. He asks that I track them down and kill them. Doing so may help the honest people there, and earn us an ally in the process.
In a city so chaotic, it is worth a try. Approach by the north gate and start asking around.
Kashmaha. Glunning.